Role of carbon nanotubes for plant growth regulation, a review. By Tiwari Mukesh, Vaman Mohan and Ashok Kumar Jha. This review highlights about the role of carbon nanotubes are vital for plant growth regulation. A carbon nanotube, CNT, is a tubular structure made of carbon atoms, having diameter of nanometer order but length in micrometers. CNTs are allotropes of carbon with a nanostructure that can have a length-to-diameter ratio greater than 1 million. These cylindrical carbon molecules have unique features that could make them valuable in a variety of nanotechnology applications. Formally generated from the graphene sheet, they have exceptional mechanical qualities such as high toughness and elastic modulus. In terms of electronic structure, they display both semiconducting and metallic behavior, covering the entire range of attributes relevant to technology. There are two types of nanotubes, single-walled and multi-walled. Techniques have been developed to produce nanotubes in sizable quantities, including arc discharge, laser ablation, chemical vapor deposition, silane solution method and flame synthesis method. The properties and characteristics of CNTs are still being researched heavily and scientists have barely begun to tap the potential of these structures. Without doubt, carbon nanotubes represent a material that offers great potential, bringing with it the possibility of breakthroughs in a new generation of devices, electric equipment and biofuels. Multi-walled carbon nanotubes, CNTs, can affect plant phenotype and the composition of soil microbiota. Tomato plants grown in soil supplemented with CNTs produce 2 times more flowers and fruit compared to plants grown in control soil. Carbon fullerene nanotechnology is a rapidly growing area of research which finds use in plant, medicine and engineering. Carbon nanotubes, single-wall carbon nanotubes and multi-wall carbon nanotubes, in many cases can penetrate the seed coat and plant cell wall which depends on their size, concentration and solubility. The future prospect of carbon nanomaterials is fairly bright as it is a low-cost solution to increase the crop production and fruit manifold. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.